Hey, it's RJ, and today I'm going to show you this iFixit Pro Tech Toolkit. This kit is great for precise repairs, such as for laptops, toys, or phones. It has a wide selection of different tools. Let's take a closer look. Inside the kit is an anti-static wrist strap, a small suction cup, 3 opening tools, 6 of these triangular opening picks, a pair of nylon-tipped reverse tweezers, a pair of angled ESD tweezers. These are anti-static and have an angled tip for precise handling. A pair of blunt ESD tweezers, a plastic spudger used for disassembling delicate electronics such as smartphones. A halberd spudger, one side has a scraper and the other side has a hook. A metal spudger, a jimmy tool. The top of the magnetic case can be used as a working tray. Inside the magnetic case is a flexible extender for hard-to-reach places. There is a magnetic screwdriver with this easy-to-grip handle. The screwdriver bits snap into place, and the magnet holds them in securely. The magnetism transmits through those screwdriver bits to help you get a hold of those tiny screws. There are 64 different precision driver bits. With this wide range of different bits, you will be able to repair a lot of different electronics. This iFixit toolkit is an essential electronic repair kit. It has all the necessary components to work with small and delicate devices. This is definitely a must-have.